Hello, are you living in the UK and you are looking for a way to actually make extra money every month? Then this video is for you. Maybe you are a student, or you are a parent, or even you are just someone who is trying to meet your needs. In today's video, I am going to show you 4 simple side hustles that can help you earn £1,000 to £2,000 or even up to £5,000. It's possible. In fact, people are already doing this and I know that you can do it too. But before I share it with you, if you have not joined this community, then you want to subscribe to the channel, because here I share very helpful tips when it comes to living, working and schooling abroad, visa sponsorship, job opportunities, scholarship opportunities and many more. So you don't want to miss any of the relevant tips that I put out here if your dream is to travel abroad, or if your dream is to succeed where you are and still connect with global companies worldwide. Alright, without taking much of your time, let's get into the topic for today. Number 1 is food delivery. So if you already have a car or a bike or even a scooter, then this is something that you can actually do. In fact, many apps and restaurants need people to deliver their food, and you can work with places like Domino's, Uber Eats or Deliveroo. And you don't need any university degree to do this one. In fact, just your UK driver's license and your smartphone is good enough. And the exciting part is that you can actually choose when to work and how long to work. So I believe that this is a very great way to earn cash fast whilst you are also staying very flexible. Okay, if you don't have a UK driver's license, then you want to now start working on it so that you can actually start this side hustle. Number 2 is freelancing. So if you have a skill like writing or editing or graphic design or even translating, then you can actually do freelancing. You can work online from home and get paid. Websites like Fiverr or Upwork and people per hour have thousands of jobs that are actually waiting for people like you. So even if your English isn't perfect, you don't have to worry about that, okay? Because there are jobs out there that actually match your skills. And the best part is that you can work at your own time and build your income slowly while starting to do your regular job or school. Selling online or reselling or drop shipping. Okay, so if you like selling things, then this is actually a very great idea for you. You can buy cheap items and then you sell them online for profits. Or you can also try drop shipping, where you sell items online without holding the stock yourself. Now, websites like eBay or Amazon and Vinted make it very easy to open a store. You can also use your social media to advertise your items if you don't want to go through Amazon or Vinted. The social media platform like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram and the other platforms are a great way to leverage this one. So if you are good at marketing or promoting, then this is for you. The last one is translation jobs. So if you can speak another language like Spanish, French or even German, then you can offer translation services. In fact, many companies and websites are looking for people who can help them to translate their documents and their emails and even talk to customers. Okay, so you can find translation jobs on websites like Django or Prezi or even Upwork, and this can earn you good money and you don't need a degree at all to start. Now, I know that moving to another country can be very hard, and things like finding a good job, paying bills and even understanding the system can be very, very stressful. Trust me, I have been there. I have had the opportunity to move to different parts of the world, and settling in back and forth can be very, very challenging. Or maybe you have already settled, but then you have bills and other utilities to pay, and you just know that your usual work cannot sort it all. So I understand the hustle and the hardship when it comes to living, working and schooling in other parts of the world. That is why this video is very, very important. You really want to try this out. So please don't give up, okay? Yes, there are real ways that you can actually earn extra income if you are in the UK, and you don't need to be perfect to have everything figured out. You just need to take one step at a time, okay? So just pick something that actually matches your skill all your interests and start small, and you're going to be surprised, in fact, how far you can go in a few months to come. And please remember that I am not an immigration expert. In fact, everything that I shared in this video is based on my own experience and the research that I have done. Okay, so before you start any side hustle, please make sure that you check if your visa allows you. Okay, you can contact the UK Home Office or speak with someone who understands the immigration rules if you're not sure if your visa is going to allow you to partake in any of these side hustles. Please, if you have tried any of these side hustles or you know others that work well, then please feel free to share them in the comment section. In fact, I'm always happy to learn from you too, and maybe there will be other people down below who would also pick what you put out there and then try it out. And if this video helped you, then please like, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends who may need it. In fact, as I'm talking to you right now, can you just take a second? There is a subscribe button down there. It's actually free. You're not going to pay anything. Please hit on that subscribe button and also hit on the like button for me. Yes, that's actually how you can actually support the channel, can actually encourage me to bring you more helpful tips and opportunities out there. Okay, if you have tried any of these side hustles before or you want to share ideas, comment below. I would love to hear from you. And thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. God bless you.